Okay guys, now on this video I want to talk about correlation of the JPY, the correlation effect that it has on this. Let me just switch off the trade history. Yeah, it looks a bit like cleaner. So going down to a lower time frame to a hourly time frame. So as we all know what transpired over last week with the Swiss franc and the JPY, I just want to talk about what else move, what other currency pairs moved as well as the JPY. As we can look at here, there's the Canadian dollar versus the JPY. It did the same thing right about the same time, guys, but then it didn't come here above to sweep this liquidity. It didn't sweep any liquidity here. Let's check on the US dollar. On the US dollar as well, it didn't come and sweep any liquidity here. But then on the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen, that's why I have it as my first pair just after the dollar pairs. Here on at the bottom I have the Japanese pairs. So what I figured is that this is the first chart, and whatever happens here others follow, just like I have on with the DXY. This is the DXY, the US dollar index. When I look at this chart, this chart actually influences what I do on the Euro, USD, Pound USD, Kiwi USD, Aussie USD, Swiss franc and USD, all rounder dollar pairs. But it's quite tricky when it comes down to this part, to the JPY, because JPY it's a currency on its own, it has its own strength on its own. So coming down here at the moment, as you can see, the Japanese yen is quite stronger than very strong than the what you call the dollar. So over here I want to see, but here the dollar is like is powerful. The dollar is in strength. It's starting to make higher highs, higher lows. So, but against the Japanese yen, I guess it's not. But then when you look at this Euro chart, you can see that the dollar is dominating its major pairs. The dollar is actually dominating its major pairs. But when you go down to the Japanese yen, you see a different story. This is a bearish candle, and it's today right now. Bearish candle here. Okay, bearish candle, fine. Let's go here. Still kind of bearish, but not as bearish as that one, because that one is powerful. Here is bullish. Okay, it should be bullish, but it's okay. It's bullish candle, bullish candle. They are all bullish candle, but not so strong bullish candle like this bearish candle is so strong. This is a strong bearish candle. You can see it's bigger than the rest of the other candles that I've shown you. So this, for me, it's a clue that actually that the Japanese yen is stronger now than all of these other currency pairs. Let's look at what the euro did. The euro did the same thing at the same time, guys. At the same time, just after Wednesday. I got that's where we started to sell, actually, or invest in the Japanese yen. That's where all these markets started to sell and buy into the Japanese market. Same thing, Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. Pound, I never drew the pound. Okay, I didn't draw Kiwi, but as you can see, we can zoom down, guys. We can zoom in even much. Okay, let's go to the daily. Zoom in, you can see that the Japanese yen is in power. So what I am going to do here is actually try to write the power again. You see, let me draw. I'll post more videos or more content on me drawing. So on this video I just wanted to highlight that this pair, Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen, is my DXY, is my US dollar index when it comes to this Japanese pairs on my left hand side. Looking at the bottom, this will actually be what I call my US dollar index pair. So yeah, I'm done guys, I'm done. I'll be looking at this chart to look for opportunities on these other charts, right? On these other charts I'll be looking at that side to look for them this side. So I guess the market should come back maybe here. So I'm still going to draw guys, so let me just end the video here.